How to get 1099 from Huntington Bank. To obtain your 1099 form from Huntington Bank, follow these organized steps. Online access. Log in. Visit Huntington Bank's online banking portal or mobile app and navigate through sections like tax documents, account services, or statements and documents, typically available by late January. Customer service. Phone. Call Huntington's customer service at 1-800-480-2265. Verify your identity and request the form. Or use the secure messaging feature in your online account to request the form. In-person visit/branch locator. Visit a local branch with a government-issued ID. Use Huntington's branch locator tool online to find the nearest location and ensure your mailing address is updated in your account settings to avoid delivery issues. Threshold check. Confirm your earned interest/dividends meet the IRS reporting threshold, e.g., $10 plus for 1,099 INT. If not, manually report income using account statements. Timing. Forms are mailed by January 31st. If it's early January, allow time for processing. If overdue, contact the bank. Phishing awareness. Avoid responding to unsolicited emails. Verify requests through official channels only, then IRS alternative. Last resort, request a tax transcript from the IRS if Huntington cannot provide the form, though this may delay filing. Next steps. Start with online access for immediate retrieval. If unavailable, contact customer service for assistance. Ensure all personal details are current to prevent future issues. Thanks for watching.